Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2017 Kia Cerato, stock number 7271. It's running from the 3rd 2016 to the 5th 2018. Here's a G4NA 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is G4NA 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand door mirror, left rear door one dent, left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door one dent, right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic air shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,